Hi, I'm Sneha Aip Verma. I run a production house in Bangalore, and I'm here for the masterclass with Shekhar Kapoor at the Himalayan Writers Retreat. We've had a brilliant 3 days. Um, it's been very intense, lots of soul searching to do. I came because I had a script that I was working on, I am working on, and it was good to present for the first time, um, you know, to a group and have all of them sort of comment on it. You also get a sense of, does it land? Do people, are people sort of engaging the same way as you are? Is it relevant? And all of those very pertinent existential questions. And I'm assuming writers generally, for them, it's a lonely space. So it's really nice to do workshops like this. And I came because Shekhar is a master at what he does. I mean, I love each of his films. So it was really, really quite cathartic to have him talk about what works in the in the writing that one has done. So I'm going back really enthused, excited, and like I want to do more. I'm thirsting. He's a great thinker. His ability to connect random dots, the fact that he's so attentive, he's listening to everyone, he's kind, but at the same time, he doesn't spare you if he feels that you need a certain kind of feedback. He gives it to you, and he got all of us to interact with each other in a very, very special way. I mean, for me, it was just wonderful. I totally loved the experience, and I'm taking back with me a lot that I didn't think I would. This, like, little things, like he kept saying that, you know, writing has to be an act of rebellion. You have to sort of undo so many things that we learn, sort of unlearn and be fearless, and go to places that you haven't been to in your own head. Allow yourself the freedom to think freely and explore. So I think those things, we've always been taught to structure and think in a certain format, but I'm trying to now let loose. Let's see where it goes. I'm really looking forward to this. Thank you so much to the Himalayan Writers Retreat team. Absolutely full of gratitude. Thank you.